In this video, I'm going to show you how to change Google Chrome language. If I open my Google Chrome web browser, you can see that the language of Chrome has changed to Spanish. It can happen due to upgrading the software or because of malware or viruses in the system. To resolve this, click on the three-dot menu located in the upper right corner of the browser window. From the drop-down menu, click on this icon. This icon indicates settings. In the left side menu, click on this icon. This icon indicates language. Click on this button. Scroll down and search for English. Remember what is written beside English. Check the English icon and click on the blue button. You can see that option 3 was written beside English from the previous menu. In the right corner of option 3, click on the three-dot icon. Tick the top dialog box. You can see that option 3 has now turned into option 1. Click on this button beside option 1. This reboots the Chrome browser. After rebooting, you can see that my language is back to normal.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.